Hey everyone! In this video, we'll give you an overview of Flows, a feature in Knack that helps you automate workflows and connect your Knack app with other applications. What are Flows? Flows allows you to automate tasks by connecting your Knack application with both external apps and services and other Knack apps. You can set up automated workflows without needing to write any code. To access Flows, open your Knack Builder and locate Flows in your main navigation menu. Click on it to open the Flows dashboard where you can view, create, and manage all your automations. Flows is available to all Knack users regardless of your plan type. Flows currently supports over 500 connectors. These connectors allow you to integrate with popular applications like Google Sheets, Microsoft 365, Salesforce, Slack, MailChimp, and many others. If you don't see a connector you need, you have a few options. Contact us to request a new connector. Use Knack's API to build custom integrations. Connect through Make.com or Zapier. How flows work. Every flow consists of two main components. Triggers, these are events that start your flow, for example, when a new record is created in your Knack app. Actions, these are the tasks that happen automatically after the trigger, for example, sending an email or updating a record in another application. Monitoring your transaction usage. You can monitor your Flow transaction usage by going to your account dashboard and selecting Plan and Billing. Your transaction usage will be displayed there. This helps you track how many transactions your flows are using and plan accordingly. This overview covers the basics of what Flows is and how to access it. To learn more about building and managing flows, refer to our additional guides in the knowledge base. That's your overview of Knack Flows. Until next time, happy knacking!